Hello and welcome to another video from Secondhandbiker. How are you doing? Today, really exciting, we are doing Kirby Lonsdale to the M6. Just a little one. So what's been going on? Well, I had the operation. I had 2 operations, but we're on the mend now, so that's good. What else? It's been hot. Wow, it's the summer, so that's a surprise. Bike's okay, no signal, but hey ho. Yeah, what else? Yep, it's been trotting along, healing up and stuff. Yeah. So this is obviously Kirby Lonsdale, that was the school. Round about with 2. I think we missed most of the land, so it's bloody summertime. Into the 50. Look at the last one. Yeah, so petrol 178.9, reasonably cheap. You 60. Up the sheep, bloody hell. Always been cheap. So yeah. Everything's okay. Like rain, but we should be skipping that, so that'll be good. Yeah, stuff is going okay. We've got the seasonal solstice reset on Tuesday. Sure when I'm going to upload this, but there we go. I get to do it all again, yay! Yeah, so my 50th birthday, what a day that was, I'm telling you. Can't remember a thing, but I got stabbed 5 times to get in. Yeah, so my 50th birthday was spent in the hospital. Had an operation. So yeah, I'm now the proud owner of not having a gallbladder, which, to be honest, I can't say I've noticed. So yeah. That's a big off for me. Well, yeah, this fuel crisis thing, we've only just seen one, but it seems to keep the caravans along with it. Oh, it's not a crisis, it's just a fucking expensive petroleum, which is, not what Britain really needs, as we are a road economy. Talk about that, road economy, yep. Yeah, we got trains. Yeah, we got planes, but we're mostly still. We got boats as well. We're mostly still a road economy. So yeah. So handing to any bike to me, mate. see if that one I went to before is back on, because it's summer now. That'll be Wednesday. Today being Tuesday. But yeah. Does anybody else notice to keep increasing the length of the 30s? We've now got 20s up on there. What? In the summer you're lucky to doing like 2 through there, and in the winter there's nobody about, so why do you need a 20? But that's what they've done. They seem to be extending the 30s to be a lot longer, and then extending the 40s, and then the 60s are getting shorter. Which is lovely. Lovely. Yeah. So it's fiddling about. I mean, we could go out and overtake left, right and centre, but, you know. Yeah, it looks like we're getting little spots of rain, but it's no big worry. Everything's going alright. These wind deflectors start off making your legs warm though. God, it's raining. In fact, you're only keeping them all for winter. Also, they make putting the oil in a little bit longer because you have to put extreme long screws in. That's these things on you, if you could see them. Yeah. Bank's now a Cat C, waiting for DVLA to send me the documents back. It's been a while, 3 or 4 months, so we might have to put in for a copy, because they're probably lost them. Right lads, fair enough. Well, from the 70 we're supposed to do this 2-finger thing. I don't know. I'm a nodder. I like a, oi! How you doing? No, please, hang right. Go for it, nod. Not everybody does. Not everybody sees you. Why should I get no battle? So yeah, it's supposed to do this 2-finger thing saying, oh, I'm on 2 wheels. Well, if they've not noticed you're on 2 wheels, what the fuck is going on? But anyway. Kids today, yeah? I mean, I've had knobs, I've had waves, I've had lead shake. That'll probably mean something, but hey ho. So, around a few more corners, and then we got the M6, and then I'll be cutting this vlog because it's just a little short one. You know, got something special coming up maybe. Perhaps. Other than that, yeah. Go on boys. So yeah, still around about, bigger at M6 round about, I think, and lay-by past that. So I'll be cutting it about lay-by. Big truck. Yeah, no surprise. No one's probably going to follow him out. And that's it. Well, yeah, we're off to Kendal. Ken did me. But it's mostly due carriage away from here, so a bit boring. So, hopefully you've enjoyed the video. thumbs up, subscribe down below. You know the score. Till next time.